How's it going, guys? Oliver here from WinBeta, and today I'll be giving an overview of the Microsoft Health Dashboard. The dashboard is a website that's linked to your Microsoft account and provides a smart and analytical way to view all the health data gathered from your smartphone and your Microsoft band. To access it, browse to dashboard.microsofthealth.com. If you're not already logged in, you'll be asked to log into your Microsoft account. You'll first land on the dashboard homepage, which gives you a general summary of all the important stuff in your daily health monitoring. Navigating through the dashboard is done through the menu on the left. The About Me section shows off your physical statistics as well as gives you the opportunity to modify your physical data, such as height, width, and age. The Best section is your digital health trophy case, showcasing all your greatest hits such as the farthest distance you run or the most calories burned. If you go golfing, it also serves as eternal, cloud-secured proof of how hard you spanked your best buddy at the course a few weeks ago. The Steps section shows you the cumulative distance you've covered on foot for any given span of time. You can change the time span by going to the top right, where you can pick a particular date as well as daily, weekly, and monthly views of your spatial coverage. In these views, the data becomes much more useful as you can compare your more recent statistics with your past to see where you've improved or just as likely gotten lazy. If you have the new Microsoft Band 2, which features a barometer, you can click the stairwell icon to see how many floors you've climbed over a given time span. The next section is one I think many will be visiting quite often. The Calories section tells you how many calories you've burned on a given day and puts it on a graph to compare how you're doing against the average person of your size and weight. Equally as important is the Sleep section. Microsoft Band devices are able to monitor the quality of your sleep, the results of which can be displayed here, along with a summary of useful facts and information to help you understand what you need to do to get a better quality sleep. The Activities section is divided into running, biking, golfing, general exercise, and guided workouts. Whereas the above sections will give you chronological analysis on your general health, the Activities section will give you your performance in each specific activity. And of course, changing the time span will also change how specific the information is. Specifying a particular day, for example, will allow you to see your last run, including a GPS-generated map of what your last running trail looked like. The Workout Planner section helps you set up specific workouts that cater to your fitness needs. To find a workout, click on Find a Workout, and you'll be given a curated list of workouts designed by Microsoft and its various fitness partners. You can filter the workouts by certain categories, such as by type, which business partner the workout comes from, difficulty level, and duration. If you know exactly what kind of workout you're looking for, you can go into the search box on the top right and type in the name of your desired workout. If, however, getting ripped fast or building old school muscle doesn't sound appealing to you, you can customize your own workout by going to the left navigation menu and clicking Build a Workout. On the top, you'll see an option to rename your customized workout. For this example, I'm going to give this workout a name that befits my distinguished and virtuous personality. I'll also name it after my esteemed coworker, the WinBeta podcast demigod, Shawn Michael. And it crashed. And I'm not messing around either. This really happened when I was filming this tutorial. After successfully renaming this workout to something more low-key, I've come to realize that the man we call Shawn Michael is probably far more powerful than I've previously given him credit for, to the point where I can't use his name in vain. Now, every custom workout has three components to it. The warm-up, colored in orange, the workout itself, colored in green, as you can see here, and the cool-down, colored in blue, all of which are configured by adding individual exercises to them. You can add an exercise to each component by hitting the Find an Exercise button immediately below any given component. Doing so will give you an encyclopedia's worth of exercise variations. Unless you choose your exercises by alphabetical order, you're probably going to want to use the search box to narrow down the result. Click on the exercise you want, and it'll add it to the warm-up bucket. When configuring an individual exercise, choose how many sets you want to do. Configuring sets is more nuanced. You can choose how you want to complete it, by duration, by number of reps, or by the maximum number of reps you're physically able to do in one sitting. Once you have the exercise configured to your liking, you can hit the little arrow on the top right to close the configuration window for that particular exercise. And of course, you can configure how long to rest in between sets. Repeat this procedure for the other two buckets. For the workout itself, I've configured this as a circuit, which doesn't deal in the concept of sets, but instead has you redo the given list for a certain number of rounds, or for as many as you can do before the time limit. Finally, for the cooldown bucket, I'll set it as choose your own, which is basically freestyle cooldown, if such a thing exists, for a set duration. In the optional overview section, you can add various supplemental information to help you out. If you leave them blank, which I'm going to do here, the system will do its best to fill in the blanks for you, especially with duration, which it can tell just based on your workout. Finally, you'll notice at the very top there's an advanced options setting. Clicking it will allow you to add even more depth and control to your workout. It will add 2 option categories to every exercise, intensity and variation. Not all dumbbells weigh the same, not all jumps are the same height, not everyone runs at the same speed, and the intensity category allows you to help the band account for this so that it can give you a better analysis of how strenuous your exercise really was. Variations follow a similar vein in that it allows you to configure the nature of your workout, such as alternating between left and right arms in a one-armed push-up, running uphill or downhill, or working out on an incline. Once you're done fiddling with everything, you can go back to the top and you can hit the Save button to save it. Then you can hit the Sync button to send it to the Microsoft Health app on your phone, which will then pair it up with your band. Now, it will automatically pair it up with your band after 30 minutes, but if you want to do that workout now, you can manually force the workout on your defenseless band through the phone Health app. The final step is to sync the workout from your phone to your band. Tap the menu icon on the top, hit the Find a Workout button, and the first menu item will be My Workouts, which will have your dashboard customized workouts. If we click on the remix we just made together, you'll see that it's already synced to my band, because I filmed this an hour after I customized the workout through the dashboard. So to show you how the sync works, I'll pick one of my earlier trial and error runs involving more of my esteemed coworker, whose name I shall not mention. Once you have your workout picked, tap the dark blue sync button and let it work its magic. Now finally, for the test run, go into your band's main menu and scroll to the icon with the dumbbell in front of the clipboard and double press the action button to start the workout. For every exercise you complete, hit the action button to signify that you completed it and to move on to the next phase. This will eventually walk you through all 3 buckets of exercise as well as the rest in between. Moving back to the last 2 sections of the dashboard, click on the Comparisons section and you'll be given a list of data showing how you compare to the average person in a given physical specimens group, which can be configured by the settings on the top. Finally, the Connected Apps section, which allows the dashboard to interface with the apps and systems maintained by Microsoft's various health partners. That's about it for our dashboard walkthrough, guys. Look forward to more in-depth examinations of each individual section later on, and believe me, there's a lot to cover. So, thanks for watching.